Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the freezer shelf in the Frigidaire refrigerator. It's going to be very easy repair, should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new freezer shelf. This shelf is located in the middle of the freezer section. The main reason to replace the freezer shelf is if it's corroded or is missing. To get it apart, we need to open the freezer door. To remove this freezer shelf, we need to first take off that stopper in the left corner, in the real, I should say left rear corner, right there. So this piece is used to secure the shelf in case if you move the fridge around so the shelf would not fall out. I'm going to push it down so it will disengage. Alright, next I'm going to push up the left side of the shelf and push it into this side. See that will free the right side, and I'm going to remove the shelf. This is the old freezer shelf next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Alright, so we're going to install this new freezer shelf. And before installing it, I would like you to see that we got two stoppers on this one. They came as a kit. I personally think two is overkill. One would be enough, but if you wish, you can use both of them. To install the shelf, we need to slide them out first. And then we're going to bring it in. Alright, so we're going to bring in the shelf. And I'm going to install the left side into these two openings, lift it up, push it in, and I'm going to lower down the right side and insert it into the openings here. Now we're going to install these two stoppers. Right, so I'm going to install this stopper on the right side. I'm going to push it onto the wire. I'm going to switch to the left side. Right, so I'm going to reach in and install this stopper on the left. Press it onto the wire. That's it. And now we can close the freezer door. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.